What's up, Heat Gang? It's Houdini. And we back with another fire video. I did that right?
Yeah, I think so. It's your video. I don't know.
Okay. Man, we got the gun range today, man. So, of course, we finna leave with something. But the thing is, we don't know what we finna leave with. I'm finna get something, she finna get something, but we don't know what we want. So, we came real early. It's 10:22. So we came early so we can look, walk around.
They opened at 9.
Yeah, they opened at 9, so we gonna see what they got. But it is kind of packed, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We catch y'all inside, man. Oh, who card? Oh, god damn. Alright, we catch y'all inside, man. It was kind of, this shit crazy. We got a Canic, like XFX Rival 5. That's between for a band. Red dot on. No, dot on. No dot. But that's tough though. This is another Canic 8. What's this? These are nice guns. They got good sights too.
Oh, this is a Hellcat. This what you was
Oh
talking
yeah,
about.
that's the Hellcat. How much is it? 6.
6.
This 1911 tough. I like this 1911. Yeah. How much is it? 14. More 1911s. Here goes some Glocks. Oh yeah, we did see that last time. This one 450, Glock 43X. They got a Glock 43X MOS in this FDE. Not gonna lie, that's been low-key kind of tough. For 490, I could probably work them down too. I might come back and get that. Hey, because it's an MOS too.
That's not extra. That's not me. This is extra large. But this
That's one I think your mama shot.
yeah.
How much is that one? Yeah, Glock 17, Gen 5. 7. How you doing? Good.
25. Crazy. That's crazy.
What is this? FN?
FN?
Oh yeah. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, this is Glock 45 with this big ass flare mag roll. It's crazy. It feels good, but I wouldn't even cop that. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? All the knife lovers. I say the neck knife is crazy. 7. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I think this might be what I get today. It caught my eye twice.
Make your deal on it.
It's caught my eye twice so far. Yeah, I got one.
That was custom Cerakoted by our buddy in Alabama. He does all that.
What color is this?
I think that's Alabama red.
Alabama. That is a nice red. Ooh. Uh-oh. Should I get one? You say go ahead, make my day. Why did we see that at the same time?
How much that cost?
Kentucky. I think this the 5.7 one though. Yeah, this the 5.7 one.
Yeah, I got 2 5.7.
I got the 40 version. 5.7 to go crazy. These bitches hard. I got a P90.
These are like war guns. Seriously.
You said, huh?
It's like war guns.
Yeah, they really do. This motherfucker hard. I take the stock off though. I don't like the stock. But the gun hard.
I can't cap too.
I don't even know what this is. Oh, a Nighthawk Customs? Never heard of that. That bitch hard. That bitch goes for 45. 45. Ooh, this hard. This is what is this? Oh, this M&P? The 350? This bitch hard. About 17. For how much? 648.
5.
Oh, that's a sale. 29. Oh, this is 10 milli? For 400? That bitch big. Oh, wow. That bitch big. Oh, that's to help you rack it back.
That's what's up. That would help me out a lot.
It's 43X. Oh, it's not MOS though.
Hello, how you doing, guys?
Good, how about yourself, boss?
Good. If you have any questions, let me know.
Got you. Look at that Glock. And it's MOS, both of them. Oh,
It's hard, I ain't gonna lie.
how much is this 43S right here, boss?
Both of those are 650.
650?
That
How
one's,
much?
1100.
1100.
That's a custom Cerakote job on all three, and the laser stippling done in house. So you're gonna have, one of a kind.
Yeah, these Cerakotes are nice.
Thank you, appreciate that.
They got some nice Cerakotes, man. No problem. The Green Dragon on Facebook?
Yeah, we got a whole list of stuff with
Okay. Check them out, man. Check them out.
That one too.
I like that gold on here, man. Gold accents. We got a GX4 for 300. More SIGs. I like that shit.
How y'all doing today?
Good. How about yourself, boss?
Any questions about everything? This is a Rose collection. It's really cool. It's basically this competitive shooter. She collaborated with Sig, made her own design on the P365. Inside, it comes with a safe. It's a very high quality safe. You could buy it by itself for like around $300, so it has a lot of great value. We have one with a sight, one without a sight, and then a 380 version as well. So it's a really well-rounded collection.
Yeah, crazy big.
Yes, Morgan.
Yeah.
And bitches.
That's what you were talking about.
Yes.
950.
You see that sight on?
Yes, sir.
No.
I got that.
Let's take that.
This is the 19X.
We're not located in Tampa. Yeah, yes. But if you don't have your conceal with us, we
17. Oh, this is 19 months right here. For 625. We got a Glock 23. Champion in at 40. Look, this champion at 40, babe. This champion at 40. 519. Oh, they got another 43X. That ain't MOS though. About 45. Is it negotiable?
Let me find. You have cash or debit?
Cash.
Okay, let me find out. You ain't gonna lie, this bitch tough.
You know how to shoot, and you get red dot on it, and it's pink. That bitch hard. Yeah, the 19. Oh, I like that 19.
You said he could only.
The Cerakote. Bazooka green. That's nice though.
What do you think of this rose gold? Timber. It's small.
Small.
Yeah, it is.
This 19. Oh. It's 520. Oh, I probably. Ooh. Oh, this is a Glock 23. Chipping in that 40. Oh shit, this tough. Not gonna lie, for 520.
It's got the actual port on it. It's got the
It does
built-in.
have a port.
It's got the built-in compensator. It's got night sights, optic ready, and see we got the full handle and a slim size. So it's good. I mean, when you say you have a Hellcat, it's almost like a crap Hellcat. 'Cause they're damn good. They're damn good freaking little guns. I just like that one personally because I just like the full grip. Because if I can't get the pinky in it, it flips out my hand. And then if you want to look for something unique, you got the double stack 1911 T-Sauce, which is hella nice.
I've heard about this one.
And it's optic ready, so you can put a red dot on it.
I've heard about this one.
Yeah.
I for sure want a 1911.
Yeah, well, we got this one, and we got the Rock Island in 45 that's more of your classic 1911 style. We also got, now we got something that resembles the Browning High Power, this Rasan. We're running a deal on that one right now.
Oh, that's
Just
I do want a 1911.
If you want a 1911, I would recommend either the Rasan or the T-Sauce. T-Sauce gives you the double stack, gives you optic ready, it's a little bit more modern in a 1911 style, even with the rail to add a light or a laser. Or if you want to go the Browning, that's something you don't see anymore. Just a little bit of food for thought, brother. That's all.
We do these all custom in-house. I do the molding and the printing, so if y'all wanted me to do anything custom on there, I can do your business logos, I can do your sports teams, I can do whatever you want on your holster and just ship it right to your house. Turnaround time is like maybe a week. Like, I'll make it the next business day, I'll crank it out before lunch, get it in the mailbox and get it off to you. You'll have it before next weekend.
Hey, might
What
be
do you
my
like
holster,
to carry?
man. I carry a 19S at the moment.
Glock 19?
Yep,
I got
19S,
so much
yeah.
stuff for it. I got so much stuff for it. Yeah, that's one of our best sellers. I got a ton of prints for the 19, ton of prints for the 43. Here, everybody's wearing t-shirts all the time. It's always hot out, so that's gonna help you keep it hidden.
These are all his posters.
I definitely. Are you located in
Cape Coral. So we're 2 hours south, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and we'll whip them up real
I
quick,
got a
send them
Ninja
out to you.
Turtle.
If you want, if you're ever in the area, we can usually make them in about an hour. So we got a lot of people that swing by, they bring their guns. We got all sorts of prints. We can print something up for you. We can do it for you in an hour, let you get some lunch, and then you can go home with your holster, or we'll just ship it to you. I got a lot of cards over here if you want.
We got a lot. We even got one with candy on there.
Oh yeah, we do.
Candy.
Well, they're not against one of the guys at the shop. He
Yeah, I
does
definitely gotta check him out.
all these guns. He says.
I would say I'd like to buy that.
That's that gold on there, nice with that silver.
Yeah.
Want the PDP? I don't know. These bitches hard. ARPs. Look at them. Look at the comps on there, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These on sale. Man, this bit right here so hard. The Glock 43X MOS. But the ports on there, man. Oh my goodness. All these ported for $549. That's not a bad price, bro. That's not a bad price. This bitch is tough. Look at the iron sights, bro. Look at the iron sights.
Oh, you slide your
You see the iron sights?
That's raw.
Then it becomes like
This
a.
bitch hard.
That's raw.
This bitch hard, bro.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
This hard. Look at these ARPs. Oh, hold up. What is that? Uh-oh. Is that just there? Or is that for real?
With a name on it? Oh no, name not on it.
Hey boss.
Excuse me.
What's this? Is this a shotgun?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a 12 gauge. Like
The
your brand
Tokarev?
wise?
Yeah.
No, it's a TRP.
Oh.
So, yeah, they're kind of the same though.
Yeah. Cause I have an all black Tokarev, and this I like this Cerakote on it.
Yeah.
These bitches hard.
It is. Look at that one right there. That purple one.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Look at the thing in the back
That's
to help you rack. No, it's just a compensator.
What is that?
Help you with recoil.
Oh.
Like most of these are like competition guns down there. It's for 400.
It's 22.
Is it? Oh, it is. Oh, yeah, but it's hard. I like this one right here.
Oh, you see?
Oh my goodness. They got the Draco with the stock on there. I mean, with the folding brace. They got the Draco with the folding brace. Yeah, look, bro. I done told her I'm finna buy her a gun. Now she walking real fast. She trying to get there now. You know you're going right to the right spot. She in a rush now.
This is the one.
This the one? This what you want?
Ain't these the same thing?
Yeah.
I will tell you, it's a headache free.
Both got, yep, it's the same thing. This what she want, y'all. She want the Glock 43X that come MOS and they got ports.
Yeah, your bad.
Yeah, this what she finna get, y'all.
Hold on to your IDs. I'm gonna keep them with the gun.
All right.
You're gonna head straight down the
I'm gonna pull out my
Oh, you can't leave with it today.
Yeah, I
Damn.
know. I can't, but it's okay. It's still mine though.
Yeah. Got everything. Speed loader too. Man. I'm back. I told you I was coming back, man. You know what I'm here for too. Yes, sir. You know it.
You got concealed?
Yeah.
All right. You want me to go over there what you got?
Okay.
He's gonna fill it up for you, and I'll pull it out.
All right, got you.
That's a Ruger 357.
She just got hers. She ain't got her concealed, y'all, so she gotta wait. But I got my concealed, so I'm finna leave with what I'm getting today. And I ain't telling y'all what I got. You guys stay tuned. You gotta hit the subscribe button so you know what I got. But I ain't telling y'all yet, man. I ain't telling y'all yet. But it is the Glock though, so you can drop down below what you think I got. Drop what Glock you think I got below. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right,
Take care, guys. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Come on, man. Come on, man. What y'all think it is, man? Drop below what y'all think is that. What's inside this one. And I'm not showing y'all. I'm not showing y'all today. But y'all see it's a Glock, so drop down below which Glock y'all think it is. Yeah, I got me a Glock. She got her a Glock. Y'all see what Glock she got though. Y'all see what Glock she got. Got me a new Glock. She got her new Glock. So for that, y'all should hit the subscribe
Smell
button.
somebody. They smell good.
Hit the motherfucking subscribe button.
That's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell on if you have not already. That's what's You too, thank you.
Alright, YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified every time I drop a fire video. Yeah. Yeah, hit that subscribe button so you know what I got. Cause you ain't gonna know in this video.